We are at Phillips Machine Tools at IMTEX 2023, hall number 4. So at Phillips, they have different sections where we have seen today. We spoke with people at Markforged. Next to Markforged, the additive manufacturing, they have their API, their partner who is exhibiting at IMTEX 2023. Let's go to Vaibhav Shah. Hi Vaibhav, how are you?
Hi Hari.
Welcome
nice
to
see you.
welcome to IMTEX. Welcome to Machine Maker.
Right. Thank you so much.
So you are exhibiting your products at the Phillips stall.
Right.
Can you just talk about what you're doing here?
Yeah. So welcome everyone. This year IMTEX has been a fabulous event so far. It's just the first day. A few hours spent, but we see tremendous crowd. Now Phillips and API just signed up for an authorized resellership. Phillips took the authorized resellership of API 6 months ago, and it's been a great journey so far. Several systems sold and more than $1 million worth of opportunity. This IMTEX, we are showcasing all our product lines here. So like starting from the laser tracker, which we invented way back 35 years ago, it's still very relevant, and this is our latest model. We also have, since this is an additive section, and we have the 3D printing right here. So we have displayed here all our scanning products. So first is our portable arm with a scanner, and this is very useful for high accuracy, and we can get reverse engineering of parts. And I think the major highlight is our new scanner, which is a very light product. This is launched in IMTEX, and this is called the iScan Lite. Major advantage is the price. It's a very price effective solution, and it's very simple. You just click this play button, and you can just start moving around the part, and you can very quickly create the entire scan. And if you see here on this side of the screen on this computer, this is just getting a 3D model created. Now once you create this 3D model, then you can just convert that data and then transfer it into your 3D printer and print that part. So it's a true reverse engineering process, which is live on demonstration on Phillips booth. And if you really want to come and have a look, you're most welcome.
And this is amazing to see that you launched this product in IMTEX. I was not knowing that, and I believe that along with your legendary tracker, laser tracker,
yes,
you are also coming out with very innovative products which can make people's life easier.
Absolutely.
That's absolutely wonderful. So what is your relationship with Phillips?
Yeah, as I said, Phillips and API go hand in hand. It's been 6 months that Phillips signed as an all-India reseller. Their main focus, of course, is in the reverse engineering and scanning business because of their 3D printers, which they're selling of Markforged. But there has been tremendous opportunities which are created, and we also have CNC machine performance measurement solution. Some of the products are live on display here, and these products are there for calibration of CNC machines, improving accuracy of the CNC machine. Since Phillips is dealing with Haas, which is already a great brand and great machine, this synergy and relationship has a huge meaning there. And if you have machines which you're using, you can always contact Phillips for getting them calibrated.
So it is an amazing, amalgamation of all the machining processes under one roof. That is what we are able to see at Phillips Machine Tools stall at hall number 4, which you cannot miss during this IMTEX 2023. So friends, take your time and visit Phillips Machine Tools and explore all those machines and new technologies they have displayed here. Thank you very much, Vaibhav, for joining with us. All the very best.
Thank you so much.